Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into the Colonial RV channel. Joe Welch is here with another service tech tip video. It's getting cold outside and nothing has become more satisfying than knowing that you've got hot water and a warm RV waiting for you when you open the door. Whether you want to shower, brush your teeth, or wash your hands, or do some dishes, having a fast hot water system has become a necessity that comes with owning an RV. And Truma is an iconic name in the RV community, and it's been in business since 1949. They are the modern provider of the Truma water and heating systems that are on a lot of our modern day Class A, Bs, and Cs. So today we're going to go over what the Truma heating system does, how it works, and how to use the control panel. You ready? Let's go check it out. So behind me we have a 2022 Winnebago Travato 59K as well as a 2022 Solis Pocket. Both of these units come standard with Truma heating systems. The Travato has the Truma Combi system that is an ideal combination of a gas furnace and a water heater, while the Solis Pocket is equipped with the Truma VarioHeat, which is a high-performance space-saving gas-only furnace for vans and other motorhomes. Starting with the Truma Combi, like I said before, it's a 2-in-1 gas furnace and water heater. Combi models range in operation levels from about 7,500 BTU to up to 20,400 BTU. The amazing thing about the 2-in-1 Combi is that it's so lightweight and small in size, so it's almost nearly silent when running. This used to be two separate appliances, but with the advancement of technology, Truma has been able to merge them into one, providing a space and weight solution for the new modern day super efficient floor plan designs required for smaller RVs like these vans. Another key thing to note about the Combi is that it's designed to not use an anode rod, meaning it's far simpler to maintain and no anode has to be changed ever. Now let's take an in-depth look at your control panel located inside the RV. You have this nice screen with very simple controls. You have your spinning dial button in the center of the screen with a black arrow button that will return you to the main menu located to the left. Pressing the dial will turn it on, as well as bring you to this main menu. The first option that you're going to see here is the motor coach icon in the top left of the screen. This is your RV heat setting menu, and to get to it, just spin your dial until that icon starts flashing. Then, press your middle button to select that menu option. From here, simply scroll until you reach the designated temperature you wish to set it to, and then press the button to confirm. Roll over to this thermometer icon to set the water temperature inside our RV. In this menu, you'll have the option to choose from off, eco, hot, or boost. Coming back to the main menu, let's maneuver over to the gas electric icon to decide whether we want to use gas, a mixture of gas and electric, or solely electric. The settings electric 1 and electric 2, as well as mix 1 and mix 2, simply refer to the amount of levels of electrical or gas power that you want your system to use, and this will vary based on your Truma model. Coming back to the main menu once again, the next icon represents fan speed. Here you'll have several options depending on your model. With this model, we have a vent setting as well as a speed setting. If it's extremely cold, I've heard folks say that the high fan speed setting is rarely used, but nice to have. Now, although similar, this 2022 Winnebago Solis is equipped with the Truma VarioHeat system. This is a furnace-only heating system that is more compact than its brother, the Combi system. The Truma VarioHeat is a luxury furnace perfect for travel trailers, motorhomes, and vans. You can sleep sound thanks to its near-silent operation and its intelligent fan control, complete with a 3-stage burner system and a special night mode. In short, it is quiet and compact. Jumping inside this Solis, you can see that you get the same Truma display control panel as the Combi system. Looking at the menu, you now only have two options, heating and fan speed. Just like before inside your heat settings, press in and set the temperature to your desired degree by spinning the wheel to the left and to the right. Then press the button again to confirm your option. The same goes with your fan speed options. Entering this menu, after turning it on or putting it on vent, you'll tap your button and have fan speed settings as well, 10 being the highest, but we've been told you won't really utilize it. Other models at the control panel will have options like eco and high fan speed. For over 70 years, Truma has been the leading system supplier of furnace and water heaters. There's a good reason that they come standard in many RVs across the industry. Travel comfortably knowing that you have such a reliable system in your RV. Before we end this video, we would really appreciate everyone hitting that like button and subscribing if you haven't already. And if you found this video helpful or you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or reach out to us at colonialrv.com or call us at our phone number 800-265-9019. My name is Joe Welches, and I'll see you all in the next Colonial Service tip video.